I did my hair because the birthday is coming up on the 17th and I wanted to be cute. Well, I came across these locks on the Elevated Styles website and they're called the Janet Collection Maverick Locs. I'll take my scarf down. This is how I sleep with my hair every night. Just wrap a scarf around it. Whew. Maintenance wise, this hair is really easy to take care of. I haven't been doing hardly anything. I just like to make sure that my scalp is oiled. So this is the same spray bottle from my last video, except this time it just has water in it. Okay, then I take this, whatever it's called. So can you not read, or like, what's up? What's up with you? Take this coconut oil, get some on my fingers. There's really, sometimes I'll be organized with it and actually section my hair. But today, I don't really care. Massage my roots. Ooh. Not only is it really moisturizing, massaging your roots actually stimulates hair growth and blood flow in the scalp. So I like to do this maybe 2 or 3 times a week. I don't do it every day. I've had this style now for, I want to say almost a week. And my parts are still. The only con I could say about this hair, honestly, is it is really kinky hair. So the ends, they do tend to stick together like that. But that ain't nothing. You can just pull them apart, cut them apart, whatever. All right, let me be honest with y'all, because I know y'all have done this before. The packages, they did come in 10 strands each package. I crocheted these over my real locks. I have 46 locks in my hair and I only ordered 4 packs of these Maverick Locs. So if you do see any pieces like this, so I did have to go ahead and add some pieces from my old style that I had, just to finish up this look. It's another crochet lock, but it's not the same type of lock, obviously. I had to add like 6 of those randomly in the back of my head. This is 24-inch hair. I'm about 5'7", so it comes down to like my hips. So in the back, it does come all the way down to my hips too. Honestly, some of them touch my butt, which I like that.
She a freaky.
I am really happy with how it turned out, the results. The maintenance was really easy, and I actually went on YouTube to see if I could find a tutorial on these locks. And the only other tutorial I found was one other person, and she did, not individuals, but she did crochets. I say it took about 2 hours to actually install the hair itself. That's not including me actually bleaching and retouching my roots, retwisting my hair, and then recrocheting it. So overall, the process did take about 4 to 5 hours. I think it was a really amazing protective style, and I'm really happy that y'all wanted to see it too. So that means that y'all do want to see me like make videos and content and stuff. So can't get over it. I don't know. It just makes me happy. Thank you guys. If you know how to do crochet individuals anyways, then you're good to go. It's the same process. But for those of you who don't really know, like, I will go ahead and show y'all here in a second. In case you didn't know, now you know. Got you. Thank you so much for watching this video and taking time out of your day to put up with my shit. So the method that I used the individual crochet method. So I already have locks, using a little coconut oil. Moisturize it, especially the end. This is what the individual lock looks like. It does have a loop. I'll take my crochet needle, and it's similar to my retwist video. Slide it under my hair. Take the loop from the lock and place it onto the hook. Close the hook. Once it's attached, just pull it through. So you should have your hair in the middle and the two ends of the line. The one that has the crochet needle on it, I just open the needle and pull the hair down. Take the ends, and then I put that onto the crochet hook and close the latch. So now I have the loop down here and the end is on the crochet hook. Simply pull it through all the way. Tighten the knot. Not too tight, of course. You don't want to like lose your hair. The lock attached to my root and then my real hair. And this is the most important part. What I'm gonna do is stuff this lock into this one. So I'm gonna stuff my real hair into the extension hair. And how I'm gonna do that is I'll take my open crochet needle and stick it literally through this lock. So after we pushed it all the way through, take the end of your hair, attach it to the end of the crochet hook, like so. I'm gonna close it and pull my hair all the way through. I'll just keep pulling it up until, if there's any of my lock left over or my hair, just repeat the process. Repeat the process. So going up to where the lock's sticking out. Attach the end and pull it on through. Just keep going until I have all my hair stuffed into this faux lock. Boom. Pull it real quick. Boom. Done. You might as well just like the video. If you really liked it, just like it. Like,